From our previous analysis, price has worked out beautifully. We banked 53,000 at 50 cents over here, and price has exactly hit our 60-cent target. Now this means the sellers are in control now and price can come down lower. The thing is, if it can come down lower, this means that we have buying opportunities available where we can make a lot of gain from. Now let's take a look at these buying opportunities. Now what we have to understand first, this balanced region, the cheapest price is now 40 cents over here. Now what we can see, this was the previous highest price. So when the highest price breaks, this will now turn into cheapest price point. Now what I can see from point A to point B, this was all a retail rally, and this was fueled by a lot of fundamental events that were taking place for retail. Essentially what I would like to see is price to come down lower to fill this rally up as well. Now if this is the case and the rally does get filled, price may go to 45 cents, which I can look for buying opportunities, but we have to confirm this by looking at the order book. Now price does go lower, I may look for 43 cents over here, but I have to still confirm this, and from there we can look for where price can go, because you never want to miss the target. Now we understand roughly, okay, we are looking at 45 cents to 43 cents for buying opportunities. We have to confirm this. We can't just say, okay, we want to buy there, because price may not even come there. Now let's go on the order book and see what sort of demand we can really see. On the order book, what I can see, 49 cents is around at 770k orders, which is very high still. I believe this may get taken out. Don't get me wrong, price can go up from 49 cents, but if this does happen, I'm not really interested. Fine, very simple. Now I want price to come down to roughly 45 cents, because I see there's demand building up between 45s, 44s and 43s, even 42s. So actually there's decent amount of demand building up from there, and in total there's around about 1.3 million orders. So this is area that I'm looking for price, and this is exactly the areas that we have, 45 to 43 cents. If price does come down to 45 cents, I will be looking at the order book to see if there is demand there, because these guys can take out the orders at any time. Every day orders do change, and the demand can change as well. So ideally when price comes to that 45% region, then I will be looking at the order book to really refine it, and this tool is mainly just used to refine, but mainly to confirm our outlook. If that is the case and we are looking to buy either at the 45 cents or the 43 cents, then the question is, what are we targeting? And if we are targeting, I do see firstly price going back up to the 6 cent region, which we can see here. There's around about, let's say, 281,000 orders there. That is the case, let's take a look. That is the case, this could be our first, I wouldn't say target, but the point that you have to look out for. So around about 60 cent region will be here. So this is the first point that I'm going to look out for. So we may see price doing something similar to this. Roughly, if price does come down here, so roughly anywhere in this region here, either let's say here, like this, up to here. That's the first point that I would be looking at. Does it mean I will be closing my positions? No, 100% no, because there may be a possibility that price can break this. So ideally we just want to wait and see at this area, because what we may see, if we sell too early and price has already been tested this region, price may just consolidate in this region like this, create balance, find value, and then boom, go higher. Now the question is, where can it go higher to? Because essentially what I want to do is target price that has not been met, because this is a fresh rally. From here, this is all a fresh rally, so it has to go higher, achieve new price points. So if that is the case, what I'm essentially looking at, so I'm going to look at it technically, then we have to go on the order book and confirm it, is roughly the first point, roughly 70 cents, roughly here, and then 90 cents. Okay, so it can be either or. So I just have to see price breaking it depending on the candlestick. So we may see something like this, breaking this, or going straight there. Now this is all depending on demand, because what is, we are headed into markets that can become very volatile now. So certain price points may get swiped out very easily, and this is what you have seen from our previous video. We took profits at roughly around about 50 cents, and price just rallied up to around about 59.60 cents. So we have to be careful, okay? So this similar instance can happen here as well. Now when price comes here, I will look at the order book. I will carry out certain analysis to see these areas are confirmed as targets, so we can take profit. Now let's go back on the order book and look at these areas in more detail. What I can see, around 70 cents is around 500,000 orders, so take that area is showing demand. But the area that's showing a lot of sellers is the 90 cents essentially, and from our technical this is what we have. So 90 cents over here is showing a lot of, this is selling pressure, and what we can see over here, there's a lot of selling pressure here as well. So I would personally say this is the ideal scenario. It could come at either or. Let's say it goes to 42 43s, from there to there is roughly 111% increase, and we know these guys love the numerology. 111 plays a big part in the culture. So this is essentially what I'm looking at. I've got around about $53,000 there to place this trade with, and if that is the case, I will be banking around about $65,000 in profit. So I'll be doubling. I've actually got more than that. So let's take a look at the screen over here. So I've got around 104k USD. There's 104,000 USD there to trade. So yeah, what happens, but I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, if you want to see me predict my previous moves, I've linked the video below of XRP me banking 53,000. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.